Hi, good evening. Oh, good evening because it's evening right here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Magaosi HD Hybrid 3-way driver earphone, or K3. This is actually the first time I'm going to be seeing this one. And let's go ahead and get into it. Now, packaging is, looks good. Magaosi K3, if you can see it right here, if you can see it properly. Okay. Oh, nice. Looks good. Right here. You can see the red accent right there. Here's the earphones. And let's take a look at the box. What's inside? Oh, the whole thing comes off. Alright. It has a case. And let's open it up. Magaosi right there. It says Magaosi. This is actually the same as the Odd Boss, I think. You have this cable right here. Red one. It's actually composed of, I think, copper. Yeah, copper right there. I don't know if it's, the oxygen-free one. I don't know. This one actually comes with 2 cables. This one looks good too. Although this one is a bit flimsy. I don't know if it will actually hold up that long. Too thin. This one should be a little bit better. Well, but what I hate about this is that this angle of the pin, I really don't like it. Could have been better if they actually put this pin on this one. That will be a little bit more better, or a little bit better. Now let's look at the case itself. What's inside there? Oh, nice color, red. Ear tips. And how about this one? This one right here. Oh, another set of ear tips. This one is a foam one. Foam ear tips. Okay. This one is, I think, the filter. I don't know. Not sure. It looks like it. Looks like the one they actually have in RHA T20 and T10. And that's about it. You have some manuals right here. Manuals on how to actually properly use the earphone and properly put it into your ear. Nice. And let's look at the earphones itself. There it is. Looks good. Kind of looks like the RHA. Looks cool. The camera can focus. Nice. Looks nice. This one too. That's about it. I'm gonna test this one. Tell you guys what it sounds like. It's actually first time I'm gonna be buying something from this brand of earphones. Well, anyway, I'll put up another video to tell you guys how it actually sounds like. Alright? And stay tuned for more of the unboxings right here in Pinoy Tech Unboxings. See you again next time. Bye.